Hello there. Today we are going to look at the best cases that we actually tried and tested for the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. So let's begin this list with the Caseology Athlex. I think this is a case that you may want to hold in order to appreciate. It has a rugged textured finish that gives it a more grippy feel to it. Also, thanks to its ergonomic design, the Athlex case feels absolutely wonderful in the hand. You'll notice the hard-to-miss groove in the middle with an inside curved design. The Caseology Athlex is such a well-designed case combining assured protection with amazing look and feel to boot. Next up is the classic Spigen rugged armor case. This rugged armor is already a tried and true case from the company. This case is made with a flexible TPU material and it is quite easy to install. It feels really solid in the hand, and has a nice snug fit to it. It doesn't add excessive bulk and overall, it looks really nice and high quality. The Spigen rugged armor has a traditionally easy to press button, and that is also the case here. The cutouts matches the corresponding USB and speaker grill at the bottom. There's a decent raised bezel along the screen and camera, so they are nicely preserved when placed on a flat area. This series is known for their carbon fiber accent, which are actually nice looking, and are situated at the top and bottom area. Along the sides of this case are that ridges that is supposed to add more grip to it. However, given the nature of the material used, it doesn't add much to make it feel less slick. Overall, this is a nice looking and good quality case from a well-respected case company. We really like the Spigen Tough Armor for the Galaxy A53. It certainly adds a bit of bulk, but it is manageable and we think the added heft is reasonable. It is actually a dual layer case design, to which a tough outer polycarbonate shell hugs a soft TPU interior. Speaking of interior, there is a soft yellow padding inside that is another cushioning element of the case. It certainly looks like this case can took more than a beating from daily use given how protective the combined materials are. The volume buttons are big and has a plus-minus sign, while the power button sits flushed and has ridges. They are very clicky and pleasant to press. One of the best implementation in our opinion. As you can see, the raised lip game on this one is quite strong. It wraps around the edges and still looks good while doing it. We absolutely like the Tough Armor case because it is less jarring to hold, considering it's tougher than usual pedigree. Sure, it adds extra bulk, but it is not too unwieldy for daily use. Up next is the Ringke Fusion case for the A53 5G. This case is slim and styled with a camouflage design at the back. It is made with a hard translucent polycarbonate material. The ridges along the back resist smudges and fingerprint. Here, you can actually see the raised lip in action when placing the phone face down. There are also a bit of raised edges around the camera. Precise cutouts for easy access of the USB port and speaker. Meanwhile, the bumper frame is made with a rigid TPU. No matter how fancy our choice of case is, it is always open season for the camera. We mean, it can easily get smudges, or even scratches because it is not well covered. This Nillkin case takes care of that. The sliding camera cover is an elegant way to thoroughly protect the camera. The nice thing about this case is don't need to keep the camera cover closed, only when you need it. Because the raised edges is also highly protective. The back of this case has an anti-slip ridges. The volume buttons are very nice to click while the power button is recessed and uncovered. The reinforced corner protects against accidental drops. You see the precise cutouts at the bottom. This is a nice case, not just for maintaining the lenses, but a good protective case for the A53 overall. For something that will take protection up a notch, here is the legendary Unicorn Beetle Pro. This is a full-body tough case that boasts a military-grade drop protection. This fan-favorite tough case comes with a two-part component. The front frame has a built-in screen protector. The main case itself has a tough polycarbonate plate exterior and durable TPU all around. Once the two components lock into place, the Beetle Pro seals the phone against dirt, dust and moisture. Having the toughest case around means there will be the unavoidable bulk that comes with a formidable drop protection. Meanwhile, the side buttons are easy to press. On the front, you'll see the chunky raised bezel surrounding the screen, so it won't get scratched when laid face down on a surface. Meanwhile, the camera at the back is substantially recessed for protection. There are also non-slip knobs at the back. What's so compelling about this chunky beast is not only its incredibly tough build. Some extras like the built-in kickstand, integrated screen protector and a rotating belt clip holster makes for a fantastic, heavy-duty case for the money. So that's it for our picks for the best Samsung A53 cases. If you're interested in the featured product, the links can be found in the description below. Thank you so much for watching.